If you are replaying Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 in 2026, this Redux mod completely upgrades the graphics and adds new core for a modern experience. Check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and select the download option. Scroll down and you just need to wait for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, select download now option. It started downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now open this Redux folder. Just right click on the desktop game icon and select open file location. Drag and drop all these files into your game folder. Select replace the all files in the destination and do this and select continue. Now just scroll down and right click on the speed.exe and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Now launch the game through the newly created shortcut. I will add a before and after video left and right. You can easily compare two of it. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.